Hey everybody, it's Michael from Nagios, and today I'll be going over how you can configure Slack notifications within Nagios XI. Slack notifications let Nagios XI send host and service alerts directly to your Slack workplace, enabling your team to respond quickly without the need to log into Nagios XI at all. And this is done with the use of webhooks, allowing you to pick a specific host and specific services, as well as the channel in which notifications should appear within Slack. And within the XI part, all the configuration is done directly in our Slack configuration wizard, making the process easy and seamless. Now, let's jump right in to see how to get started. Now, before we begin, you'll want to make sure that you have admin access to your Nagios XI instance, as well as the ability to create apps in your Slack workplace. And to get started, you can actually go to your browser and type in the URL https://api.slack.com/apps?new_app=1. This will bring you to the app creation page, and from the pop-up, you can select From Scratch. Here, you can give your app a name, like Nagios Alerts, and then choose the workplace that you want the alerts to show up in. And when done, you can hit Create App. After the app is created, you'll want to go to the left-hand side of the screen and select Incoming Webhooks. If it's not already active, go ahead and turn it on. And then you can select Add New Webhook. It'll ask you for a channel, as well as to review the app permissions. And when done, you can hit Allow. Now, after your webhook is created, you'll be able to see it listed down here, as well as which channel you selected it to go to. And you can go ahead and hit the Copy button, and then we can move over to our Nagios XI instance. Now, back on the Nagios XI instance, this can be done with both our Neptune and modern themes within Nagios XI. I'll first show it in Neptune, but you can skip to the timestamp if you want to see it done in modern. We can get started by going to the settings icon on the left and selecting Configuration Wizards. Then you want to search or scroll through and find the Slack Notifications wizard. And when in the Slack wizard, you can go ahead and paste the webhook URL that you just copied, as well as select the host and services that you might want alerts on. For hosts, I'll choose localhost and Nagios.com. And then for services, I can choose a ping on Nagios.com and a ping on localhost. And then when done, you can hit Next. And then here you'll be able to go through the configuration steps for our wizards by selecting the notifications timing, the contacts, as well as the groups. And when you're done, you can hit Apply, and you should now be getting alerts on your Slack workplace. Now, to see this process done on modern, you can follow along here. You can start by going to the Configure tab, selecting Configuration Wizards. Then you can search or scroll through to find the Slack Notifications wizard. And on this wizard, you can go ahead and paste that webhook URL that you copied, and then select the hosts and services that you want alerts on. So I can choose something like Nagios.com and localhost. And then for services, I can choose something like the ping on Nagios.com and the ping on localhost. And when done, you can configure the same wizard settings for all the wizards, like by setting the monitoring time, the contact settings, the host group and service group settings. And then when you're done, you can hit Apply, where you should be then getting alerts in your Slack channel that you chose. Now, to go ahead and see this working, we can go ahead and force a state change for one of our hosts. So for Nagios.com, I went ahead and changed the check so I know this should return critical. Unknown. And then if we go over to our Slack, we should see it that we were getting the alerts in the Slack channel of our choosing. And that's it. You've now seen how to successfully configure Slack notifications within Nagios XI. From this point forward, you should be getting the alerts of your choosing in your Slack workplace, allowing your team to respond even faster and be even more informed. Now, if you need any more troubleshooting or help with this topic, please visit support.nagios.com, or feel free to check out our YouTube channel for any more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on monitoring.